Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a picture on Facebook. I will show you step by step how to do it. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is enter on your profile Facebook, and now you have option like photo video. You click here, and here you have option like add photos, videos. Click, and as you can see you can here now add picture which you want. Okay, you may also write what's on your mind, and also you may set it at public, for friends, only me, what you need. You may also add feeling activity, how are you feeling. You may tag people and give localization check-in. Okay, and later post. And as you can see, we posted a picture on Facebook. So thanks for watching. I hope that I translate you will understand everything. If you have a question, you may write a comment. You can also did it here on under somebody post. Everyone, you have add photo, video. Okay. Yes, and you click press enter to post. Okay, and you did it. Okay, so that's all. Thanks, bye bye, and see you next time. Follow my channel.